Email marketing is one of the most effective ways to stay in front of your customers through a channel they use every day. We ensure your emails stand out, get delivered properly, and drive meaningful results for your shop. Our approach focuses on smart segmentation. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, we target specific groups within your customer base, making each campaign more relevant and more effective. Whether you're sharing informational updates or sending personalized promotional offers, we tailor each message to the right audience. Unlike many automotive CRMs, our email campaigns are built for performance. CRMs often send emails from shared domains, which can lead to deliverability issues, messages getting flagged, filtered, or lost in cluttered inboxes. Our email management avoids these problems, improving inbox placement and ensuring your messages are actually seen. Many CRMs also offer limited segmentation, inconsistent mobile formatting, and restrictions that prevent you from marketing beyond your existing customer list. Our system removes those limitations. We create custom-designed, mobile-friendly templates that match your shop's branding. We don't rely on generic, reused layouts. Every campaign is built to deliver a polished, professional experience. We also integrate directly with your POS system, allowing us to automatically pull and segment customer data. This eliminates manual list management and enables more precise targeting without adding work to your team. If you choose to run a promotion or a special, we can build custom landing pages that create a clear and relevant path to conversion. If you're ready to strengthen your shop's email marketing strategy, we're here to help you build campaigns that will help boost your shop to the next level.